Are you tired of using very all the time? Let's explore more powerful words that can replace very and make your speech more vibrant. Very calm, serene. For example, the serene atmosphere in the mountains is perfect for relaxation. Very small. Petite. For example, she wore a petite necklace that was elegant and delicate. Very angry. Furious. Example, he was furious when he found out his phone was missing. Very funny. Hilarious. Example, the movie was so hilarious that we couldn't stop laughing. Very rich, wealthy. Example, he became very wealthy after starting his own business. Very tall, towering. Example, the towering pine tree cast a long shadow over the park. Very wet, soaked. Example, the boy stood in the rain, his clothes completely soaked. Very good. Excellent. Example, his presentation in class was excellent, earning him praise from the teacher. Very bright, luminous. Example, the boy is fascinated by the luminous glow of the lamp. Very strong, forceful. Example, he used a forceful push to lift the heavy weights at the gym. Very dirty, filthy. Example, after playing in the mud all afternoon, his clothes was absolutely filthy. Very careful, cautious. Example, he walked cautiously across the wet floor to avoid slipping. Very busy, swamped. Example, the man was swamped with files at the office. Very weak, frail. Example, the frail old man struggled to lift the heavy lamp. Liked these tips? Hit the like button and subscribe for more ways to level up your vocabulary. Drop your favorite word in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.